In order to help people age with ease, we review medical alert systems and other tech that allows seniors to live independently in their homes. So at SeniorLiving.org, we're not fans of providers that require signing long-term contracts that make you keep paying monthly fees even when you want to stop. We prefer medical alert devices that offer money-back guarantees, like a 30-day money-back guarantee and a free trial to make sure that seniors have a chance to get comfortable with their new equipment and they find it easy to operate. No one wants to pay for equipment that's just gathering dust. And we prefer companies that offer 30-day free trials too. And we also want it sold by a well-established company that has the means to support its customer base and not fold and leave seniors hanging with worthless equipment. What if I told you there was a new service on the market to protect seniors offered by the biggest retailer in the world, and that the equipment, which can help seniors in multiple ways, is available totally free to try out for 30 days, and that you can use it for 1,000 things other than protecting seniors? And this service offers you a free trial, not for 30 days, but for 6 whole months. The name of the service? Alexa Together from Amazon. So let's learn about Amazon's Alexa Together together. Hi, I'm Jeff Hoyt, Editor-in-Chief of SeniorLiving.org. Unless you've been living in a cave, you've heard of Amazon. And even if you do live in a cave, Amazon will probably deliver your stuff right to your cave door. I've been an Amazon Prime member for years. Now, seniors who watch this video here can see how to get the service, which includes free delivery, videos, so much more. Well, they can get it for more than half off the regular price. But you don't have to be an Amazon Prime member to benefit from Alexa Together. Alexa is Amazon's virtual assistant. Instead of having to surf the internet by typing in a question, Alexa recognizes your voice and can speak the answer. Alexa, what's the Yankees' record?
This season, the Yankees are 46-16 and ranked first in the AL East.
Wow, that sounds nice, doesn't it? So in this video, we'll unbox the main equipment used by Alexa Together, we'll test it as a medical alert device, and list the pros, cons, and latest prices. And I'll explain who can benefit from Alexa Together. So here's a hint. If you love a fiercely independent senior who's too stubborn to get a dedicated medical alert system, well, Alexa Together may fit the bill. Alexa Together is a subscription-based service designed to protect your loved ones by making it easy for them to get help while allowing you to stay in the loop about their health and well-being. To utilize Alexa Together, you need to get an Echo device made by Amazon. And they offer a wide range of Echo devices. The cheaper ones only have audio capabilities, while others like this one here, they offer video as well. This is the Echo Show 8. It features an 8-inch HD touchscreen, stereo speakers, and a 13-megapixel camera. And like a tablet, it can be used to watch entertainment like videos. It's easy to watch Amazon Prime videos. And you can look at family photos, listen to music, so many things to do. It's not a tablet in that it's usually in a fixed spot and is plugged into the wall. Now you can also surf the net with its built-in software or make video calls.
Well, did you have a lovely Easter?
Yeah, pretty good. So I was just going to ask you.
We did. We did. Ate a lot of food. There was a lot of food.
Who's that? Well, for this video, our senior editor Taylor Schumann got an Echo Show 8 for her grandmother Judy, who's demonstrating how easy it is to use this device as part of Alexa Together. Thanks, Judy. So the Echo Show 8 has many more features, like managing a smart home. But today we'll concentrate on the Alexa Together features and how this service can protect someone you love. Here's Judy unboxing her Echo Show 8.
All sorts of pieces. That's cool. So it comes on like a stand.
Oh, how cool. Wow. There's a stand here, or is it?
Or I think, yeah, just the way it sits like that. And there's accessories you can buy too to like set it on a swivel stand if that was ever something that you wanted.
So there's 3 different parties involved in Alexa Together. There's you acting as a caregiver, the senior whom you want to protect, and a 24/7 urgent response center provided by Amazon. Now, a senior could also opt for Alexa Together protection without a caregiver, if they wanted to and they didn't have anyone to rely on. While the senior needs an Alexa-enabled Echo device like this one, caregivers like you, well, you only need the free Alexa mobile app. So you can have that on your phone or on a tablet, but you both will need to have your own Amazon account, which is free, and the internet, which usually isn't. Now, if you're a senior in need of low-cost or free internet service, well, check out this video. So the setup requires both the caregiver and the senior to act, but that makes sense as you want to make sure both give their permissions. Since I ordered a package that included the free 6-month trial of Alexa Together along with my Echo Show, I merely had to click on an email. You may have to click on the Start 6-month free trial on the Alexa Together homepage. I'll put the URL in the description below. Once the senior and caregiver are set up in Alexa Together, there's plenty for them to do together. You can always use an Echo Show to call someone like a family member in your contact list using only your voice. But with Alexa Together, the caregiver can simply drop in on the senior or vice versa.
Is it sunny though, or is it overcast?
Well, it's overcast right now.
Oh,
I know.
I always feel colder when I can't see my son. I'm sure it's a mental block, but I got that. So.
But what if the senior needs help that a family member can't provide in an emergency? Well, instead of fumbling for a phone, these devices can call for help through a simple voice command, connecting automatically with a professionally staffed 24/7 urgent response team. Alexa, call for help.
Calling emergency helpline.
Let's see how long it takes for them to answer.
You've reached the Alexa Emergency.
Hello, this is Julie with Amazon Emergency Service. Do you need help or emergency assistance?
No, just testing the system, thank you. So when a senior calls for help, Alexa Together will automatically notify the caregiver. So once the system is set up, there's virtually no learning curve. As long as Alexa can hear you call for help, it'll summon the aid you need, be it police, firefighters, EMTs, or a family member. But what if Alexa can't hear the senior? What if you're far from the unit, you're in the bathroom, you lose your voice, or you fall so hard you knock yourself unconscious? Well, Alexa Together can still help. But first, you need to get an optional third-party fall detection device compatible with the system. Now, when these devices sense a fall or the emergency button on them is pressed, they'll connect to Alexa and place a call to the response center. Now, here's Judy unboxing the compatible Sky Angel fall detection pendant.
So that's kind of like the one that you have right now.
So is this around the neck type thing?
Mm-hmm. And there's like that's like an SOS button, and then it'll alert.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then after charging it, the device is good to go. By wearing it around her neck, Judy can simply press a button to summon help, even if she's not within shouting distance of the Echo Show. And the built-in accelerometers will detect if she falls and will call for help automatically and notify emergency contacts. The pendant is optional, and Alexa Together has many other features without any additional equipment. For example, the caregiver could choose to use Remote Assist, which allows them to change device settings and remotely set reminders that show up on their loved one's device.
Here's your reminder. Doctor's appointment.
So you could help your mom keep her doctor's appointments, add items to her shopping list, or help her get set up, listening to music or watching videos. That's very helpful for someone with a little tech savvy. Although it doesn't take much for a senior to make their own shopping list.
Alexa, add spinach to my shopping list.
Spinach added to your shopping list.
So the caregiver can customize the alerts they want to get. For example, they can easily see when the senior starts their day without invading their privacy, or be notified when they've gone a certain length of time without interacting with the unit. And that keeps you in the loop while maintaining their independence. You could also have the system reach out to multiple people when the senior calls for help.
Alexa, call for help.
Calling emergency helpline.
You've reached the Alexa Emergency Helpline. We'll get a specialist to help with your emergency right away.
So what would you pay for a system that does so many things and offers a 6-month free trial? Well, this protection comes at a low cost. Amazon is currently offering an Echo Show 8 like this one and a 6-month free trial of Alexa Together for just $100. Unlike dedicated medical alert devices, the Echo Show has many uses other than protecting a senior, and cheaper Echo Shows are available. So after the trial period, service costs just $20 per month. That's on the low end for a home medical alert device. And if you already own an Echo Show, well, you can try the service out for 6 months without spending a dime. That's awesome. Compatible fall detection devices like the one Judy uses, they start at $170, but there's no additional monthly service fee. Alexa Together offers a lot for little money. No matter which Echo Show you buy, you can return it to Amazon within 30 days for a complete refund. You get to try out the service for 6 months without paying for it. Hey, that deal is so good, I don't know how long Amazon can offer it. But I do think the company will be around for a while to support this. And when you do start paying, it's only $20 per month. That's a small price to pay to relieve a worried mind. And you don't need to sign a long-term contract, so you can stop anytime. And the ability to call for help using only your voice, well, that can help seniors out a lot who have limited mobility or dexterity. Remote assist, well, that allows the caregiver to set reminders, add items to shopping lists, manage settings, and much more to help the senior get the most from their system. And with all of the additional features, like watching videos, listening to music, making calls, well, it's a lot more than a medical alert device. Many independent seniors might refuse to use a medical alert system, but Alexa Together disguises itself as a home entertainment hub. The senior won't find it as threatening as other systems and can actually enjoy using it. Now, on the downside, this system only works when a senior is inside their home. Currently, only one person can act as a caregiver, but Amazon is working to increase that number. My guess is that Amazon is losing money on this service in order to increase their penetration into more American homes. But for many seniors who are aging in place, this will make a fine addition to their home and give their children some much-needed peace of mind. For more products to help you age with ease, visit SeniorLiving.Org, where you can find and compare housing options for seniors, including in-home care, assisted living, nursing homes, and everything in between. And please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.